The sky is humming wires tonight, pouring down a storm of violet light. Each drop flickers like a dying sign, sparks dissolving on this skin of mine. A glitch between the wrong and right. I'm drowned in electric rain, where nothing feels the same. Colors twist around my pain, my shadow drips in neon trails, a silhouette with circuitry for veins. The world turns soft like melting glass, each heartbeat echoing too fast. I taste the thunder in my breath, a quiet flirt with something like death. I'm drowned in electric rain, where nothing feels the same. Colors twist around my pain, drawing halos from the strain. If I fall apart, don't pull the chain, just let me drown in electric rain. If sharks can cleanse the things I heard, let them wash me from inside. Maybe all this static flow will purge the ghosts I never showed. The storm fades out.